mean, it's probably going to be alcohol.
Liquor store.
Everything. There's everything in the Gurgaon.
Job of dreams.
Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Lakshita and I'm currently at Ambience Mall, Gurugram, and I am here to ask people question about Gurugram because we love Gurugram. So let's go. Hi guys, so are you from Gurugram?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so my first question for you is, what is a hidden gem in Gurugram?
For me, it would be, I think, Sotamis. It's a new Mexican place that's open in Galleria.
Sotamis and Sackley's Mountain Cafe, that's also in Galleria.
That's cool. And also, if I ask you guys to describe Gurugram in one word, what would that be?
I mean, it's probably going to be alcohol.
Sir, so if you can describe Gurugram in one word, what would that be?
It's a city where people can live in a well-lit area, and it's quite a concrete jungle.
Okay. So if you can resonate Gurugram with anything Bollywood element, so what would that be? Like a movie or a TV show?
It's relatable. It's like, Mumbai is known as city of dreams. So this place is like, city of a lot of employment, I would say.
Employment.
Yeah. So Gurgaon is loads and loads of employment.
Job of dreams.
Yeah.
So what is your favorite place in Gurugram?
Ambience.
Ambience Mall?
It is just like a second home.
Second home. Alcohol and cures. If you can add one thing in Gurugram, what would that be?
Some scenery, where people can go sit in nature related to. It can be a man-made place also because there's no nature around. So I would like to add.
So like a peaceful nature vibe.
Exactly.
Alright, that's very cool. So if you have to describe Gurugram in one word, what would that be?
Liquor store.
Alright, yeah.
Everything. There's everything in the Gurgaon.
Everything in Gurugram. That's cool. And what is your favorite hidden gem in Gurugram?
Okay, there's a new place, Kova. So we went there last night and it was really nice. They opened last week, I think, yeah.
And yours?
I feel like there's nothing hidden in Gurgaon. Everything just becomes famous.
Alright, that's a good take. Alright, so if you can describe Gurugram in one word, what would that be?
You can say a luxury place for upper middle class.
If you can describe Gurugram in one word, what would that be?
I would call it a fun city without any hassle. At least where I stay right now.
That's cool. And what about you, ma'am?
I think lifestyle in Gurgaon is better.
Lifestyle is better in Gurgaon? Okay. And your favorite hidden gem in Gurgaon?
Favorite hidden gem would be, I think I love places in One Horizon. And that's not a hidden gem, I would say.
But that's still a fun place.
Yeah. I love the common area that they have. I love sitting there, chilling out there. We have more open places to chill over here in Gurgaon.
Hi, ma'am. So can you describe Gurugram in one word?
Yeah, it's a corporate world. So you just get the cafes and vibe on weekends only.
Like modern home. So it's like a peaceful modern place where you can just stay.
That's cool. And what is your favorite hidden spot in Gurugram?
I don't think it's hidden, but I think it's Bellagio. Yeah, it's near Worldmark.
I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it.